Alrighty, we're now live. Alright, appreciate you all for joining. This is gonna be a good week. I already feel it. This is gonna be a good week. Alright, it's your boy HRT. So with that all said, let's begin the live trading. Alright, this is SPY. Hope you guys all got a chance to watch that video that I made over the weekend. The journaling weekend, the trade journal regarding what we experienced last week. We didn't have the best week, and we know exactly why. And here we're here to solve it. We're gonna move forward on this week, right? That's all we gotta do. That's it. That's really it, bro. That's it. All right. So here we go. Gotta make sure everything's all set up. Right now, what I'm doing right now is always we're gonna mark the pre-market high, just like that. Pre-market high, we're gonna mark it, and then we're gonna mark our pre-market low. Let's do that real quick, ain't it? Wow, we are upticking. Very good. Very good, yeah. Wow. They're really strong buyers in this case, really is. I was really scared of these two, I thought they're gonna bring it down enough, but it's enough buyers. That's impressive. All right, I'm gonna enter this retest now that we crossed it. So here we go. If a retest does occur right now, which I not gonna happen probably, I will definitely enter. There we go. Are we gonna see that retest right now? I am prepared to go in. If we do, I'll enter very lightly, of course. There we go. I want to enter here. So you get to here, I'll enter, and then if we get to here, I'll enter the remaining. I'm very scared though, of course, doing that. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and enter. All right. And I'll be ready to sell as we start to move below here. Alright, I'll go ahead and enter again if we get really close to. Now I'm down. Here we go. Here you go. This is my stop loss right here. This is that stop loss. Just keep this line in mind. We're gonna see an extreme pull down today. Or we're gonna move up. It appears that we're moving up. About a call, so I'm only in 4 right now. There we go. Let me make sure I bought the right call. Yeah, I did buy the right call. Wait a minute, I don't think I did buy the right call. It appears I don't think I did. No, I know I did. I think I did. Very strange. I think I did. It's very weak, by the way. Very weak on the upside, the way this is moving. So we could be seeing a turnaround today. That's why I entered a bit light. Just for that's more than enough. We're moving barely here. Wow. Very interesting. We're barely moving. All right. I think I did enter on the wrong. I don't know why we're moving like this. Can someone explain this? It's kind of strange to me. I'm not gonna lie, it's very strange. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and sell here just because we're now above here. Let's sell one more really. Alright. TQQ is rejecting. Looks like we are dipping down. Maybe that's why this thing was moving like that. Okay, I'm not gonna enter on this retest. I'm not wait for the retest. I'm gonna just get out. All right, that was very weird. You know, I think the market's probably there's some things this option knows that we don't know. You know, I think we might be going on the downside today. You know, we could be seeing a downside. I don't want to wait for that retest here. I just want to get out and break even. I sold the first two here. We barely made any money on this trade, but this trade was technically a success. But yeah, that's that. That's very that. All right, let me just quickly review this here. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Guess I was a bit scared. Guess I am the one who's wishy-washy. Not the market this time, ain't it? Yeah. All right, here we go. Let me see here. This is 47, 48. So that was the right one. Yeah, about the right contract. Just wasn't sure why I was moving at that pace. All right, look at that. Looks like we are seeing a rejection, as expected. You know, we are seeing, you know, QQQ taking it downhill here. Look at this dump, you know. But again, we will see, right? We will see. So far, SPY still kind of strong. SPY hasn't really given up yet. It appears it's weakening, but not yet, not yet. Ooh, look at this candle. What? No wonder my contract wasn't moving well in that direction. No wonder, right? But it is what it is. So we wait. If it means our setup is on the downside, cool. We'll wait. So this would be considered a break, right? This would be a break. And then we wait for a full 5 minutes to close underneath the new direction. And then any retest to the view after that, we'll go ahead and join for put. Now, can you join right now? Especially this kind of candle. Especially this right here, bruv. Can you still join right away, just short right now? Yeah, you could actually, yeah. You could. But I'm just gonna, you know, just wait it out. You know what I mean? Just gonna wait it out. Alright? You really could right now. Just place a put right now. I'm very tempted, but that would mean, you know, breaking my rule. So I'm just gonna let this be. Alright? Just gonna let this be because I really wanna go ahead and place a put right now. Especially with this major wick like this on the seller side and having a retest shortly after to the VWAP after we breaking it. Come on. If you want to take this, take it. But I'm going to restrain myself. I want to just wait for one more 5 minutes, you know. Even if I miss my setup, if I miss it, cool. I don't want to chase it though. I'm down. I'm going to wait for this 5 minutes. All right. Since we're going to be trading on the downside likely, but we're probably going to have our stop loss right here. So I'll be surprised if this thing goes above this red based on this wick right here. Look at this. So whoever had this and had a place right here, we'll see. We'll see if you're going to be successful. I hope your odds are a bit high because of this wick right here, you know? Look at this. It's a straight 5 minute just, you know, dump of supply, right? And also seeing the QQQ turn around like that, yeah, you'll be definitely fine. I'll be entering very soon the next 2 minutes on the put side here in a medium size. That's what I'm looking forward to right now. Wow. Shocking. Very shocking. Yeah, you would have to, you know, respect your stop loss. That's shocking. Whew. I mean, the exact amount of, you know, buyers that dumped this, now we have the exact amount of, the exact amount of buyers that, you know, that dumped this supply. And now we're getting the exact amount of buyers equalizing that. So this is intriguing. I rarely see this, but this is dope to see. This is really cool to see, you know. Very cool to see. And this is one of the reason I wait for that retest, I guess. Oh my goodness, look at this. No, sorry, this is one of the reason I just wait for a full 5 minutes to close below to really see if we go in that direction. Whoa, look at this. Like buyers just took over that supply. You know, now this candle is bigger than this candle. Yeah. Yeah. That's dope. That is such a cool turnaround to see. And I haven't seen this in a very long time. You know? That is so cool to see. I ain't gonna lie. Man. Wow. Just wow. Alright, the question comes down to now, right? Here we have a break, of course. You know? This is the exact same thing. The price is broken above. And are we gonna buy this retest right here? Right? This would be the stop loss, of course. I can just make this more. Right? This would be the stop loss. But if you were to get this retest, this push down, right? Oh, I don't think we will anymore. I mean, just look at this. What? Literally, like, nah. I don't know. I'll be shocked if we do get a retest. And if we do, I would probably get in on my regular size. This is so cool to see. Such a turnaround. Like, wow. That is so cool to see. I don't know if I said that already. But, yeah. I mean, following our rule, this would be considered a break. We'll wait for a full 5 minutes to confirm it's a close above. You know, buyers are holding it above. And then after that retest, then we can confidently go ahead and join. And if we do join a retest after this close, yeah, this would be our stop loss right here. You know, I can see that if it's going below here would be a little too much. I don't think I need to hold outside of that. You know, now can we do right here? Sure, but I would do it with a very, very, very minimum size though. You know, I like to go in with confident, right? I like to go in, with confident in place that it's not likely to even retrace here. You know, I like to go in at that time when the price is like that. You know what I mean? When the market is favoring one direction. That's one of the reasons I wait for that additional 5 minute close, just to ensure that that is now the control of the market trend. It's just to ensure that the market is going in that direction, right? Yeah. So after this retracement here, I'll definitely definitely enter. If we get that, that'd be so cool. If we get that, that'd be dope. But there we go. If we do get a retest here, we'll go ahead and enter with shares on TQQQ. And if we also get a retest here, which I doubt that we will get a retest to the VWAP, but if we do, we'll enter that one first. That's priority, right? That's priority. That will be priority for sure. All right, looks like we're gonna go ahead and trade here. I'm gonna wait for a pull down here. Can we get a pull down? I'm gonna go ahead and get in on this one. I got in on that pull down. You guys are able to see that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get in again, another pull down. Alright, I got in on that additional pull down. Remember, this is a break, this is a close, and here's the retest. We're getting in on this retest. We're buying shares now, alright? We are buying shares. And then our stop loss will be right here. I'll continue to add as we get pushed down to the stop. I don't know if you guys are able to see that, right? Yeah, you guys should be able to see that. Let me see here. I want to make sure you guys are actually able to see that. Here's this one. Just focus on this one. Alright, let's focus on this one right here. Alright, we're moving some moves above on the upside here. Let's go ahead and there we go. We're gonna hold on to this and see. I'll add more in if we pass this VWAP as we're headed towards our stop loss. I'll add more in and then I'll just get out of that if we don't reverse from here. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and add in right now. All right, we're gonna be selling soon. Looks like market is turning around to the downside, and that's fine. Could it be argued that this is too close of a, especially for shares? All right, we're done. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day here on this. All right, cool. We are done. Oh, yo, guess what? I had a retest here. Right? Had we just traded our retest, that would have been ideal. Right? We took a small loss of $1 million. I'm kidding. Took a small loss of $25. But oh my goodness, look at this. There's some turnaround happening here. I think market wants to turn around today. Like, I think he wants to like go down. Oh, look at this. What? You know what? That's actually a big sign going forward, right? If I'm trading the upside or the downside and it's not moving at the normal rate it usually moves that contract, it's like, okay, cool. It looks like today it's probably, it's baked in. There's enough, like, the contracts are, the other contract's probably going to move better, which is, in this case, put. I mean, look at this. Whew. Dumping all this supply here. Yeah? Yeah, had I got in here, I would have taken a major loss. I'm actually happy I got in on TQQ with shares, Because I was thinking to get in on this retest with, well, I probably wouldn't, especially with, by the time it got to here with that kind and seeing this, I probably wouldn't have entered. But let's go. I look forward to actually trading, good size today. Here we go. A little, here we go. We are actually we're getting our puts here. Can we continue moving up? Can we continue moving up for me to enter? Come on. I'm entering puts. I'm ready. I want to see as close as we can get to that 9. Ooh, I want to get in this position. But hey, it's fine. Don't worry about you gotta relax here. We're gonna see this retest. Beautiful. You know what? I'm gonna enter. I've entered puts on the down. Here we go. I'm gonna continue entering until we get to. I'm gonna enter one more because I said to myself into. And if it goes here, I'm out. I'll be shocked if it actually goes there and actually retraces and moves up. I'll be a bit surprised, but I went ahead and I enter there. Here we go. We actually did get our retest. The question is now are we gonna make money or is this move gonna be against us? That is really the question now. For real. That's it. Right? That's the question now. We managed to get our retest, right? We went ahead and placed our put, followed our rule. The question is now you know what we do? We're done. We don't care what happens after this. Now we're done. We're not involved in the trades, none of that. We allow the probability to do its thing. If this thing goes success, great. If it doesn't go success, all right, cool. We're done, right? So we're going to see what happens on this trade. We have our stop loss in place. I went ahead and I entered here for the puts and as well as entered here. So now we sit back, we relax, we allow the trade and the probability to do our favor. That's it. We've entered this position. Here we go. I hope we're able to make money on this move on the downside. And if we don't, cool, we're done. Just like that, boys. Just like that. All right. Here we go. If we do get a retest again to our stop loss, I'll add more in. But then once we pass that, we're gonna just call it a day, really. But I'm willing to hold this through. Hopefully we get a retest all the way to on the downside. We're up $40 right now. Should we sell right now? All right, here we go. $40 right now. We're up. I do want to see this break on the downside a bit more. It's a really huge wick here, on the downside. Let's go! Woo! Yo, I'm gonna get out. Oh wow, that was such a retest to that. Let's go. Sorry, but I got a little too excited there. I said let's go like that, innit? All right. I'm gonna go ahead and sell off here on this. All right, cool. We're done. Could we have waited and hold on this trade all the way down? We could. I think. Oh my God, this is so cool. We made $75. All right, let's go. We're done. All right, we're done for the day. Let's go. That was awesome. That was so surreal. Like, I could have probably added more into this trade, but you don't want to go against this, bro. You know? This was fire trade. I love it. This is why I love trading. This is why I love trading, right? Oh my gosh, I wish I didn't sell. We could have made bank. You know, we'll take our $75. We're gonna call it a day. But that was awesome. Like, wow. I knew this was gonna happen. Whew. Alright, appreciate you guys for joining in that emotional ride, alright? That was awesome. That was I immediately sold here. I sold here on the low of the day. I sold my first portion out on the low of the day, the first low of the day. And the other one is the pre-market low was here. Had I sold the other one here? Oh, but that's fine. That's the future. You know, as time goes, I'm gonna learn when to sell. As of right now, this is what I know. I usually sell on what's it called? I usually sell on levels. You know, I did sold half here. Could have sold a little bit here. I want to just take my profit, especially after I pass a little bit here. But yeah, and in the future, as time goes, you know, given this kind of information with this major wick of direct change of direction and get that retest, I think I'll consider that in the future as a higher probability on the, you know, downside. But anyway, great trade today. All right, this was fun. Alright, that was low-key fun, I ain't gonna lie, that was fun. This is a very chill trade we had. Whoa, guess what? That's actually more than I thought. Let's go, $80. We scored $100 on that trade, by the way. This trade we did was $100. For real. And then we gave back on the stock when we were trading TQQ, $23. We made money, bruv. Let's go. You know, we'll take that money. We'll take about that $80. We'll go. We're done. This was a cool trade. I ain't gonna lie. That was a cool trade. You know, that was awesome. All right, that was so beautiful. You know, look at this, right? And by the way, this is why you wait for the 5 minute. Like today, it showed me why I should always wait for the 5 minute close, right? Because take a look at this here, right? We had a break here, and here. I was tempted to trade here before this candle closed. And look at that. Look at this candle literally closed on the upside. That's why we wait for the 5 minute to close to confirm. We had a break here. We didn't get a 5 minute close on the downside. That's why we wait, right? Done. All right, cool. And guess what? We had a break here. We waited for this candle to make sure that it closes below. And it did. And that third candle, any retest, we entered. Let's go. We made money, bro. $100 on this trade right there. You know, $100 on this trade. Yeah. In the future, as time goes, I'm probably gonna be less excited as I make more money. You know what I mean? So this agility of this level of like emotional reaction to my wins, it's probably gonna decrease. I ain't gonna lie. So I'm enjoying it right now. But as it decreases, that also means I'm gonna be just, you know, I'm probably gonna have more information as time goes to kind of wait when I should sell and stuff like that. You know. But until then, bro. Until then, yeah, this was a good, successful trade, Hussein. I'm proud of you. HRT, you're doing really good. Nice job. Cool. All right, everybody, I appreciate you for joining. All right, hope you found this beneficial. This was very fun. We had an easy trade, successful trade, great Monday start, and great week. You know, I'm proud of HRT. I'm proud of myself. Followed my role to the T. I held myself back on, you know, certain setups that I saw I wanted to enter, but I had said to myself, no, not yet. This is not your full setup. And yeah, exactly what I wrote down on that journal trade. Take a look at that video. It's journal number 9. Search for that up real quick. You know, trade journal 9. I want you to watch that. The 3 lessons we learned. Did we implement that? And I believe we did. You know, remember when I, you know, what was one of our what's it called? What was one of our lesson? That's what. One of our lesson was what? Help me out, guys. Come on. I know you guys know this. What's up? How much? You know what it was? It was, once you enter trade, we don't place our self-worth in that trade, right? Once we enter it, we're going to leave the problem. That's exactly what I did. That's what I was preaching earlier. We got in on this position right here on this retest. You know what we said? All right, cool. We're done. We don't care what happens after this. We don't care what the heck happened after this. All right? We don't care. We're going to let the probability do its thing. And let's just like that. Probability was in our favor. Done. We called it a day. We sold it. I didn't care. I was ready to sell this position if it goes against us even further. And that's what we did, boys. All right. With that all said, this was a fun trade, boys. HRT's out. All right, HRT's out. Another day we're gonna bank. Another day we're gonna come in. Same energy. All right, same energy. All right. With that all said, all right, guys, take care, everybody. Enjoy your Monday.